that dreaded error 1 flashing on your Roborock S6 MaxV. Yeah, we know the feeling. It's incredibly frustrating when your fancy robot vacuum decides to stage a protest right in the middle of a clean. This error 1, often caused by a faulty LiDAR motor, is a common headache for S6 MaxV owners. Think of the LiDAR as your robot's eyes. It needs to work perfectly to navigate your home. And another problem is a broken caster wheel. On the other hand, can cause all sorts of problems with its movement. Ignoring this problem could lead to further internal damage, reduced cleaning effectiveness, and potentially safety hazards. It might seem like a small issue, but letting it fester could actually make the repair more costly down the line. But fear not, fellow robot vacuum owners. RoboCare is here to rescue your Roborock S6 MaxV from the clutches of error 1. We'll diagnose, repair, and get your little cleaning hero back to its former glory, preventing further damage and saving you hundreds. We specialize in Roborock S6 MaxV repairs, tackling those pesky error 1 issues and preventing the worst case scenario. We utilize only genuine Roborock parts, ensuring both optimal performance and the longevity of your robot vacuum. We meticulously repair the damaged components, paying close attention to detail throughout the process. Before we return the Roborock, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets our high-quality standards. We want you to be completely satisfied with the repair. And importantly, we maintain open communication throughout the entire process, keeping you updated on the repair's progress and providing an estimated completion time. Ready to see the difference RoboCare makes? Let's see some amazing before and after transformations. Wow! The Roborock S6 MaxV is back to its best. Precise navigation, powerful suction, and worry-free cleaning, all thanks to our expert technicians and genuine Roborock parts. The customer was delighted when their robot vacuum returned, working like new and providing stress-free cleaning. Ready to say goodbye to error 1 and hello to spotless floors? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center in Kota, Damansara, or utilize our convenient courier service for a quick and efficient repair. We handle all your robot vacuum repair needs.